Guys, I drew this one. What kind of symbol this? So, I have a sticker. This one is the new. Let's go to. Okay, this is a June. Oh my god, so labo. Wait. Oh no. No! I can draw a line. Baka mali dito. Dito. Tama ba? Okay na to. Ulit. Draw. Hiwalay. Draw. Hiwalay muna. Draw. Yan. Spell mo journal. Tama to spell. Be! Ba? Journal book. I can do drawing with sticker. I love Cinnamon much. As I do. Pick this too. Pick this. What do you like to pick? This. I will do a part 2. Bye.